Welcome back to another... I'm gonna change my shirt. I think I've done the last two videos in this. Going for the casual grey t-shirt feel. Probably maybe a bit too casual. I don't know. I don't really know what the etiquette is when I'm making these videos. Do I need to dress up? I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I get so confused in all this YouTube bloody world. Anyway, samples, discovery sets. Something I've never really talked about, something I love within the fragrance industry. Here is my box of samples that I've picked up over the last probably 6 months, maybe 9 months. I don't know how long I've actually been out in Europe for. Anywho, I tend to go to the same perfume shop. I don't buy online that much. 2 reasons. The Czech Republic, in Prague here, online shopping is not quite where it is in the rest of Europe. And secondly, I love having a personal relationship with people inside this store, mainly for picking up samples. Now, of course, when you go and you buy a fragrance, they always throw in the samples of the latest launch or the newest release. But if you've got a relationship with them, you can quite often just go in and ask for a sample of the latest release. And if they recognize you, if they know you buy fragrances from the shop, why wouldn't they give you one? Samples, easy, but discovery sets, that's something quite amazing. Now, not all discovery sets are made equal. And since I've been here, I've bought 3 discovery sets. I have Rook perfumes here. I have Kilian for women. I got that for my wife as a gift. And Etat Libre. Oh, this, I think, is £45. And you get 20 samples of 1.5 mil each, or are they 2 mil? They are 2 mil. 2 mil's pretty good. On one of these things, you'll get 35 sprays a mil. So that's about 60, 70 sprays. 20 different fragrances. Even if I don't know the fragrance, if I haven't smelt it before, I'll wake up, I'll just randomly pick one out and I'll wear it. I'll just cover myself in it. Sometimes it doesn't work. Sometimes you're a bit kind of like, oh my God. But then sometimes you have the initial reaction, but it works for the rest of the day. Your wife says to you, what are you wearing? That's really nice. A friend says to you, God, that's quite an interesting fragrance. It's not like the stuff you normally wear, and you've discovered something. It's a discovery set. That's what it's for. Now, Etat Libre, very generous with their discovery set. Kilian, they're a much more expensive brand. Not quite as well presented, but still 5 fragrances there. Each one is, again, 2 mil, I think. Enough to really understand the fragrances. I think this only cost me £20, maybe £30. So again, really good value considering how much Kilian charge for their fragrances. And then Rook perfumes, this was also, I think, £20, and it was 5 fragrances. And you know, again, 2 mils each. You get to try them out, you get to experience a different house, and you get to understand much more about the art and the craft of fragrance with spending a lot less. Personally, I think if you're into fragrances and you're watching this video and you can get your hands on this discovery set, I think you just can't go wrong. You can't go wrong. There are some lovely, lovely fragrances done by Etat Libre. Again, offering good, solid consumer advice. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. Like the video. Let me know when you've got a discovery set. What discovery sets you have? Are there any discovery sets that I need to get? Add it in the comments. My name is Will Bobby, and I'll see you on the next one.